Alright, got some example of low ISO and high ISO here. Leah was kind enough to be a model for me. Um, that's her punishment for sitting outside of my class in the hallway. This first picture, the one on the left, was taken at ISO 100, whereas the one on the right was taken at ISO 1600. So both ends of the spectrum, very low ISO and very high ISO for our camera. And I do have to apologize for the image quality on this video. I know it doesn't come across as well as I'd like, but hopefully you can still see what I'm talking about. I'm going to go ahead and zoom all the way in on each of these pictures and just double click the magnifying glass, and then we'll reposition it so we can look at Leah's face here. Double click on the magnifying glass on this image, use that little hand to drag it down. Now hopefully we'll let these images sit here for a second. Hopefully that'll help you see in the video. We got two pictures taken at the exact same time, exact same lighting conditions. The only difference is one was shot low ISO and one was high ISO. Of course, I had to adjust the shutter speed to compensate for the different ISO values, but other than that, everything the same. You see this picture on the left is very clear. Lots of detail. You can see, I don't know if you can see on the video, but here on my computer I can see individual eyelashes, very smooth skin, nice transitions, nice gradient of color all around. Whereas the image on the right is quite the opposite. I cannot see any eyelashes. In fact, it kind of looks like her eyelashes are painted on. Um, Very poor gradient. In fact, looking at her lips, I mean, it's chunky, the gradient across her lips. You start to see a lot of noise and film grain, especially in shadow areas, like in the shadows of her eyes. Uh, Overall, two very different images taken of the same person at the same time.